everybody, I'm here for a quick little video about a very tiny item. Let me get my tea out of the way. You might have seen an unboxing of this, but I did get a few items. Make sure we don't pull the invoice out. Oh, there's a sticker. There's a sticker. I did get a few items for this cute little Nano. Let me, well, they're gonna have glare no matter what. What I have in these are the Chic Sparrow card holder and dashboard. This is the one that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got another one, even though I did have one where one of these ripped off. And then I got just the single dashboard. There we are. Just the single dashboard. What I thought of maybe doing is getting 2 or 3 of these and just, you know, piling them up to be like this. Just a thought. So, oh, and also let me show you what's in here. They're the trio of inserts. So there's a dot grid insert, there is a grid insert, and a, does it go? Oh yeah, it goes like that, okay. An aligned insert. So that's just like, you know, the trio, you get like whatever they send you. And some people had wanted to see how I have my cute little Nano setup. At the moment, I'm using this as my wallet. And so when you open it up, sorry about the glare, I've got like my faculty ID, my driver's license, my union card, auto insurance, and something else under there, but you don't need to see it. Then I have, this actually is a, well, we'll talk here. Then I have my a debit card, some cash, and my AAA card. But if you look, this is a, sorry about the squeaky table, a Foxy Fix dashboard. So you can see that it is actually larger. Not by much. The Foxy Fix Micro holds inserts that are 4 inches tall by 3 inches wide. And so I was waiting on one of these to arrive because the others I had, the husband is using in his wallet. But I have in here, this is a Peaky Dory Design micro calendar. So it is 3 wide by 4 tall. Now if you look, it comes right to the edge of the notebook on all sides. And that's all I have in there at the moment. And what it is it's just a monthly calendar where we have, you know, a month on 2 pages. And then before each month, there's 2 pages of dot grid where I've been tracking our bills and like music that I have to perform that month. And then something that I did notice is, you know, I bought these so I could put another insert in here like that. Because I like having the little calendar with me, but then I also thought, well, what if I was to, these are just standard size Post-it notes. I could write our grocery list or some notes, and you can see I put them in that way. You can put them in however you want, but I try to get them as close to the center of the spine as possible, because then when you close it, see, they're sticking out just a smidge, if you can see that, but they're still protected by the edge of the traveler's notebook, so, or the Nano notebook. So that's what I have in here right now. And you know, you don't have to have a monthly calendar in here. You could put you know, a grid notebook to keep like a shopping list. And if you wanted lots of space, you could write this way on it instead of that way, you know, depending on how large you write. I think with the lined one, you might have to write it this way instead of this way because the lines would maybe get in the way for you. But someone wanted to see how I was using my Fern Nano, so I thought I would show you really quickly. So I have a Foxy Fix dashboard, a Peaky Dory design insert in it, and like my driver's license, faculty ID, and you know, a few other important cards over here. So that's just a quick little video to show you what I got from Chic Sparrow, a quick little order, and I love that sticker. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.